Hello friend, welcome in Richita Study Point. Today we study easy tricks for complement set, union, intersection, set difference, symmetric difference in set theory. So we proceed from the complement set. Let U be a universal set and A be subset of U. The complement of A is the set of all elements of U which does not belong to A. Symbolically, we denote the complement of A by A dash. And complement of A is X such that X belong to U and X not belong to A. Now let U be a set, U be a universal set for set A. The complement of A is equals to U minus A, is equals to U minus A. Now suppose we have an example here. U equals to this set and U is a universal set for A and A is subset of U and A is this set. Now we have to calculate the complement of A. For calculating the complement of A, subtract the elements of A from the elements of U. Now subtract 1 and 1, 3 and 3, 5 and 5, 7 and 7, 9 and 9. Now the remaining elements of U are 2, 4, 6, 8. So the complement set of A is this 2, 4, 6, 8. The complement of A can also be represented by the Venn diagram. We have here Venn diagram. U is universal set and the set A is represented by the white circle. The complement of A is the green portion of this universal set. It is clear here that the complement of A is the set which contains the elements of U but which does not belong to A. So you can notice here that the complement set of A is represented by this blue portion. Now the union of sets. Let set A and set B are two sets. The union of set A and set B is the set which contains all the elements of set A and set B, or we can say the union of set A and set B is the set which contains all the elements of which are either in A or in B. We have two sets A equals to 4, 7, 9, 3, 5, and B equals to 5, 6, 9, 10, 11 in Brassage. Now the union of set A and B is represented by A union B. The symbol for union is written like this. This is similar to English letter U. Symbolically, we can say that A union B is equals to X such that X belong A or X belong B. Now we have here one example. We are given to sets A and B. We have to calculate A union B. A union B is written like this, and we write all the elements of A and B in A union B. But the common elements of set A and set B are written only once. We have here 5 and 9, two elements common in set A and common in set A and set B, 5, 9. So we write only once, not twice, these elements. So A union B is shown by this set. In Venn diagram, A union B is represented by the below shaded portion. This portion represents A union B. Intersection of sets. The intersection of two sets A and B is the set which contains all the elements which are common in set A and set B. Means we take these elements which are in both set A and B. Suppose symbolically, A intersection B. Here we have some mistake in editing this video. The sign for intersection is like this, inverted U. So we should here A intersection B like this. A intersection, it is a print mistake. So A intersection B equals to X such that X belong A and X belong B. Suppose we have here two sets A and B, and now we have to calculate the intersection of these two sets A and B. We write A intersection B equals to, we take the common elements of the set A and set B. The common elements in set A and set B are 2, 2, 4, 4, 2, 4. In Venn diagram, the intersection of A and B is represented by this blue shaded portion, which contains two elements 2, 4, which are common in both circles, circle A and circle B. Circle A represent the set A and circle B represent the set B in Venn diagram. Now we take another problem. Suppose we have three sets A, B and C. Now the intersection A intersection B, the sign for intersection is like this, inverted U. A intersection B intersection C equals to the common elements in sets A, B and C. We can look here that the only element 6 is common. So A intersection B intersection C is equals to 6 in brassage. We have made a Venn diagram for this. The blue shaded portion represent A intersection B intersection C. Now we read a difference of sets. Difference of sets. Let A and B are two sets. The difference of set A and set B is the set which contains the elements which belongs only to set A, not to B. In other words, common elements of set A and B are eliminated in set A minus B from set A. The difference of set A and B is represented by A minus B. Let we have here two sets A and B like this. So we have to calculate A minus B. Then subtract the common elements of A and B from the set A. We have the common element 4 and 6, 8 and 8. So only two elements 2, 10 are left here. So A minus B is equals to, in brassage, 2, 10. This is the difference of sets A and B. So we can say A minus B is equals to X such that X belong A and X not belong B. We have made Venn diagram for the difference of set A and set B. This is set A, this is set B. The difference of set A minus B is represented by the green portion of the circle A. We can easily look here that the common elements of set A and set B are subtracted from A in the set A minus B. Similarly, suppose we have to calculate B minus A, then subtract the common element of A and B from the set B to find B minus A. We have subtracted the common elements 4, 6 and 8 from the set B to find B minus A, and in Venn diagram the red portion of the set B represent the set B minus A. This is the symmetric difference of B minus B, set B and set A. Sorry, this is not symmetric difference. We call it only difference. Difference of B minus A. Difference of B minus A. Now we read symmetric difference of set A and B. Symmetric difference of set A and B is represented by this sign like a triangle, and we call it symmetric difference. A symmetric difference B is equals to A minus B union B minus A. Now suppose here we have two sets A and B like this. At first we calculate A minus B, then we calculate B minus A. Then we can easily find A symmetric difference B, which is the union of A minus B and B minus A. The union of A minus B and B minus A contains all the elements of A minus B and B minus A, which is the symmetric difference of A and B. The symmetric difference of A and B is shown in this Venn diagram by the red portion, by this whole red portion. The red shaded portion represent the symmetric difference of set A and set B. Friends, thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and touch the bell icon so that you can find the information about our new videos. Goodbye.